Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a Discord bot I built using Java Maven project and the JDA library. It is called Xares, and it's designed to encourage members to participate in special events by making quality posts. The cool part, they can earn a special currency called Crystara, but only during limited time events. So it really motivates people to get involved with this matter. Let's check it out. The bot is called, as you can see, Xares. It is an economy-based Discord bot with two main currencies, Crystara and coin. Well, coins to be more precise. Crystara is one of the two main currencies in the bot, but here's the catch: you can only earn Crystara during special event periods, which usually happen once a month, or at this bot is set to the first day of the month, or whenever the admins set them up. During these events, users can post in a specific channel, and if other members react to their post with a thumbs up, they get 5 extra Crystara, and with a thumbs down, they get 1 extra Crystara. That way, only quality posts that actually get engagement will earn rewards, and only during the event. Outside of that, Crystara cannot be earned, so it keeps things fair and time limited. However, you can take out the type condition outside of the bot to make it permanently usable, so it will calculate the amount of Crystara whenever someone posts something there and gets a reaction with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So what can you do with Crystara? Crystara has 3 uses. First, buying a coin pouch. Second, upgrade an existing coin. And third, buy a roll. But before explaining other stuffs, let me explain what is a coin. Well, actually, coins are a little bit more complex and actually way more fun, not gonna lie. There are 2 types of coins, Xarin and Zyra. Each coin has a unique ID, a rarity, and a level. That unique ID is a randomly generated ID that cannot be the same, and it has to be hidden to the admin and the owner of that coin. A rarity. The rarities are 4 possible rarities that each coin can have, and they are common, rare, epic, and legendary. And there are 10 possible levels from 1 to 10. Coins are only obtained by buying pouches using Crystara. Each pouch generates 5 random coins based on the type, whether it is Xarin pouch, Zyra pouch, a random pouch. I will show it later. And you get to choose which one to add to your vault, which coin that is generated to add to your vault. But here's a twist. Pouches only give you up to epic rarity coins, so the legendary coins can only be reached by upgrading, and they are actually really legendary. Why? Upgrading, I will show you the graphic. Let me show you the graphic first. So, this is the graphic of the evolution of the coin. How does it work? Well, the thing is, you have, for example, let's imagine you get a level 1 common, a Xarin coin. Xarin and Zyra in this matter doesn't matter. Okay, you have a common level 1, and for upgrading it from level 1 to level 2, you need only to spend 1 Crystara. And from level 2 to level 3, you need to spend 4 Crystara. So it's actually a quadratic formula, from level 1 to level 10 of each rarity. What happens when you have a level 10 of a rarity? It goes to the next tier. For going to the next tier, you need to pay an extra cost. As you can see on the graph, there is a jump there. However, on epic level 10, there is still that jump. You need to spend 1200 Crystara to reach from epic level 10 to legendary level 1. But it doesn't come down, as you can see, from jumping from common to rare or rare to epic. it goes way higher, where you need to spend 2161 Crystara to just go from level 1 legendary to level 2 legendary. And as you can see in this graph, from upgrading a coin from legendary level 9 to legendary level 10, you need to spend 2721. To let you know how hard it is to get these, you need 200 thumbs up and thumbs down to get 1200. So just by upgrading from epic level 10 to legendary level 1, you need 200 thumbs up and thumbs down in total. It is not something that it can be achieved that easy, and it's just one level. You need 10 more levels, which all of them are above 2000. So you need to at least spend something like 15,000 from legendary level 1 to get to legendary level 10, which makes it literally legendary and very unique. So let's get to the shops. It's better to show you completely on Discord. On Discord, to make the 100 usage of this bot, you need to have 4 possible channels: introduction, shop, fun, and general. What is introduction? In introduction, when someone joins your server, it will give them a starter coin. The starter coin is set to be epic level 1. You can change the rarity or other stuff of the coin, but for now I think it's epic level 1. Yeah. Which every new member will get that as a starter coin. And it will also welcome the new members. In this shop, you have 2 types of shop, as you can see: pouch shop and roll shop. Pouch shop, there are 3 different pouches that you can buy. For Xarin pouch, you need to spend 100 Crystara. For a Zyra pouch, you need to spend 100 Crystara, and for a random pouch, you need to spend 60 Crystara. What does these pouches do? They actually generate 5 coins of the type of your choice, and these 5 coins are actually going to be completely random. So it's sort of a gacha system, where you are going to buy a pouch. For example, I'm going to buy a Xarin pouch. I bought it here. As you can see, it gives me completely random levels and completely random rarities. And just to let you know, the possibility of common is way more than rare. As you can see, I got 4 commons and 1 rare. And the possibility of the levels, the first 5 levels, is way more than the second 5 levels. So from 6 to 10, level 6 to level 10. So the weight of the possibilities are also completely set. Now here, you get to choose 1 coin or whatever coins you want, or add all of them to your vault. For example, I want to add all of them. And it will say all coins have been added to your vault. Each person has a vault, and that vault can have to up to 10 possible coins at one time. I will explain the vault system later. Let me just explain the roll shop. What does this roll shop do? Currently, the roll shop can have up to 10 possible rolls. As you can see, Vault Viewer, Cool One, Wise Shot, Elder God, God, Immortal, Elf, Demon, Dwarf, and Human. Where you can achieve these rolls by gaining some extra stuffs. For example, to become a Dwarf, you need 2,000 Crystara, or 4,000 Elf, 4,000 Crystara for Elf. However, for becoming an Elder God, you need 1 legendary level 1 Xarin and 1 legendary level 1 Xarin, and 5,000 Crystara, which is a lot, not gonna lie. That is the rules. For example, I am already human, so let me just delete it for now, and I want to become human again. And as you can see, everyone is a human, so you can just free claim it. It's just free, and then it congrats you, and then it tells you that you are now a human, and here we go, you are a human. Yeah, exactly. And as I said, this specific channel, this is one of the specific channels that you can choose. I called it fun, but this is on a specific channel where you post something and get thumbs up or thumbs down, and based of these you get Crystara. Now goes to the general. Now I want to explain the vault system. Each person has a vault. each vault can have up to 10 possible coins. And each person can have 10 possible coins at the same time, at one time. The amount, and also Crystaras are all unlimited, so there is no limit to Crystara, but there are limits to coins, which is 10 possible coins at one time. Now we get to the slash commands, which is the fun part, and the most important slash command is vault. When you click on the vault, it asks what action do you want to do, whether it is view, level up your coin, admin view, remove, or clear. For view, when you click on a view and choose the view, it will generate a photo based off the coins that you have right now. For example, I had a Xarin legendary at the start, so it is what it is, and I bought a pouch and 5 possible coins. So what happened? I have all of them here, and I can have 4 more possible coins in my vault. Here we go. And then after vault view, we have admin view. This admin view can only 2 possible people see your vault. It's whether you are checking your vault or an admin checking your vault. Why? Because not only the level and the type and the rarity like here will be shown, but also the ID of each coin. Why it is important? Because the ID, with knowing the ID, we can do 2 things: leveling up the coin or removing the coin. So if I, for example, choose to remove, it will ask an ID from me. So if I choose the ID and this, it will remove this coin from me. Okay. However, I have set a system where you can remove from another user knowing their ID. So you have to hide your ID at any cost. And as you can see, the admin view is set to see the person who has used it, so it's not gonna be leaked that easily. Okay, but it is an important thing. We can also, instead of remove, we can also try to upgrade a coin. It will ask an action from you, and like, for example, I want to level up this level 8 common that I have. And if you have enough Crystara, for example, it says your Xarin is advanced to level 9 using 64 Crystara, which is the required Crystara to advance to the next level. Now if I go to my vault and view it one more time, I should have 1 less coin. As you can see, I've deleted the level 5 one, so the level 5 one is not existing anymore, and the level 8 is now level 9. So that's how it works, which is the second usage of the Crystara. Yeah, and including remove, I also have added clear, and you can completely delete all the possible coins from a user. With this action is only doable by the owner of the vault or an admin. One more time, but it completely clears all the possible coins from your vault. Yeah. Now the other commands of the bot. We have Crystara, which shows the amount of Crystara that you have. Why it is not in your vault? Because it actually uses a database. So the vault system that I've made, every server gets its own database. That means that your vault data, whether it is Crystara or coin, is saved per server and won't get deleted even if the bot gets shut down or something else. And it will automatically, this database will automatically be made when the bot is joining your server, and it automatically will be deleted when it leaves your server. So you have to keep it in mind. And the vault and the table that saves the coins is different from the Crystara. That's why it is outside of the vault. Okay, the other commands, you have leave, say, and stat. Leave and say are just 2 commands for admin to check. So for leave, it's technically kicking the bot outside of the server, this command. And for say, it's actually not that functional. It's just see that if the bot is working or not, or a specific slash command is not working. That is the reason this exist. And stats. Stats. Why do you need this stat? This stat shows you the roles that you have. For example, for myself, it shows the roles that I have right now, which is human. Why it is needed? Well, the thing is, I have added something else, including the admin permission. You can also add a special role to admin view and remove the coins from other people's vaults, which is actually shown in the shop, and that is Vault Viewer. Whoever gets this role, it can actually admin view and remove the coin from other people, and it is very hard. This 5 times legendary level 10 Xarin and 5 times legendary level 10 Zyra. Trust me, no one's gonna get it. It's a lot. It's way more than you think. Okay, so but it is there. It is there. So I think I had a legendary level 10. So for example, I can buy the Vice Child role. So if I choose it, here we go. You're now Vice Child. I have the Vice Child role in my account, and actually the order and the hierarchy actually does matter. And make sure and keep it in mind, the previous Xares has to have this Vault Viewer role. It's very important, and has to have administration permission. Is not actually that important if you do not give it, but it has to have this Vault Viewer role, and that is the most important aspect of this one. So I have explained font, introduction, shop, and also general, and how the coin system, admin view, and Vault View is seen. And actually, as you can see here, these are all possible type of coins that you can have, from common, rare, epic, legendary Xarin, and common, rare, epic, legendary Zyra, which are all AI generated. Okay, final note. The thing is, the bot is actually currently offline. I haven't found a free hosting solution yet, so I couldn't let the bot run. However, I've made the source code fully accessible and available for free on GitHub, so feel free to check it out and run your own version in your server. Just make sure to credit the GitHub repository that I made if you use it. I mean, the links is in the description down here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you decide to use Xares in your own server, let me know how it goes, and have fun building your own Discord economy. Peace out.